Alright, well, I've seen a few videos on people struggling with this BTECH GMRS GPS radio. Biggest problem I seem to be having is this little guy right here, the belt clip. Well, when I looked at it, I knew the spring tension was going to be an issue, so I decided to try to put the belt clip on before installing the battery. So there's one screw, and as with everything in the world that has more than one screw, don't tighten both, or don't tighten one screw before you get all the screws in. So you get the screws in, and I'm using a real screwdriver. I'm not using the one that came in the kit, so maybe it helps. As you can see, that did not take any effort whatsoever. So give that a shot, guys. Put the screws in the belt clip before you put the battery in. That's all I got for today.